Bread in the oven, bacon. Here comes a rude boy Jamaican. Bread in the oven, bacon.
Steam fish and okra body. Whoa. One pot recipe right here. You want to see how me make up the one here? You don't have no choice but to come on and ride my boat. Let's go.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
We say steam fish and okra body. When gal good, gal good. Let's get started. Now I have my snapper fish right there, so, and all I did was clean it with lemon juice, salt and vinegar. Yes. Now after I get done doing that, I made cuts in the fish on both sides, just like that. You want to make sure that you clean the fish right on the inside. You want to make sure so you cut off all of them spans off of your fish. Then after you get done doing that, you're going to get your lemon and just squeeze it on top of your fish like both sides. And your fish are ready to start season. Now to season up your fish, make that mad flavor, you're going to need salt and black pepper for this. You're also going to need onion powder and garlic powder. And of course you're going to need fish seasoning. Now if you don't have fish seasoning, use seafood seasoning. If you don't have seafood seasoning, use all-purpose seasoning. But you're going to need some kind of seasoning to give tons of flavor. Now, some other main ingredients you're gonna need for your steamed fish or okra good girl body recipe is your bell peppers. You can call it sweet pepper, as some of my usually call it to me that grow up. Now you need some hot pepper, scallion and thyme. You also gonna need pimento seed, right? Now the first thing I'm gonna do is get my seasoning, and you want to make sure your hands them clean, of course, right? You're going to get your fish and you're going to make sure you get that good season inside of that fish. It's so important for the fish to taste nice. So you season that bad boy up real good. And the cuts you made in the fish, you want to stuff that season down in the cuts as well. Now, after you done season up your fish just like so, you want to get your scallion right there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and stuff the fish with the scallion. Just use it on mince stuff like. And you move on to your next. I'm going to add, in our pot right there, so I'm going to add some butter to it. And some fresh garlic, and allow that to come to a melt. The next thing I'm going to do is get my fish in. Now I'm going to add my pimento seeds to it, some thyme, dry thyme, fresh thyme, just good either way. Then I'm going to add my bell pepper or sweet pepper. I'm going to go back in and add some more butter there. Then you're going to get some water, maybe about a half cup of water. Depending on how much fish you're going to cook, but you don't want to put too much water in. Make sure you tie it up on meat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my lid on that and cover it up nice and tight. And within about 15 minutes, I come back, 15 to 20 minutes for medium heat, I come back, the fish done. Ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need your okra, and the okra they're fresh from the garden. Crackers, of course, butter, salt, garlic, and you're gonna need a half a cup of water. Watch the ride. Watch look how good there. Close up on that one here. Steam fish and okra body. Watch ya. This turn up loud. Steam fish no get no better than this. Yes, goodie. Done. Ready for the table. Steam fish and okra body. Watch there. And we say, when food good, food good. Jamaican pink snapper fish and okra with crackers in my kitchen. Requested recipe all the way from Spain. Big up yourself. Straight. Now, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe now. Thumbs up and share the videos. There will be more amazing recipes just like this and even better. Don't forget to set your notification so you won't be missed out on any new uploads. Share, share, share. Like. Comment down below and let me know what you like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.